Hey, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be looking at YouTube Studio, and if you want to see future content that can help you create your freedom and learn how to make money doing something that you enjoy, consider clicking that subscribe button, ringing the bell so you're alerted to future content. All right, let's jump into YouTube Studio. I'm going to walk you through step by step and help you to learn all the features so you can be more productive and more successful here on YouTube. All right, so the first thing you want to do is head over to your YouTube channel. Here we are on my channel, and you'll notice there's a couple navigation buttons in the upper right-hand corner. Now, YouTube has undergone some changes recently, so some things look a little bit different. So it's important for you to understand those changes so you can find them and be able to do everything you need to do to help your channel succeed. So looking at this main page, we will see some differences. Up here in the right-hand corner, they've kind of changed the look and feel of these buttons. You'll notice that they're kind of rounded now. They're kind of bubble or pill-shaped buttons here. And you'll see that there is a customized channel, manage videos. Those two are normal. And then there's also a join option. Now, depending on the channel that you're viewing, you may or may not see the join option. Join is for memberships. So if you have memberships, this is something that's going to be visible on your channel. But today we are concerned with YouTube Studio. You can get into YouTube Studio by clicking either customize channel or manage videos. We're just going to click on manage videos just to head into the back end of YouTube, which of course is YouTube Studio. All right, so when you click on manage videos, it's going to bring you to the video section, but we're going to get things started off by heading over to the dashboard. Once you're on your dashboard, we are going to look over here on the left-hand side. This is your menu option. This is where you're going to be able to get into all the different sections. Let's take a look at playlists. Playlists are basically a way to categorize the videos that are on your YouTube channel. It allows you to collect like videos into groups, so people who are viewing your channel are more able to find those, especially when they want to find more videos on a given topic. So there are a bunch of different theories on the best way to make use of playlists. If you can share your content from a playlist, sometimes that can help people to binge your content, but it's really up to you and understanding your audience and what works best for you. But looking at this list, you can see you have the option in the upper right-hand corner right here in blue to create a new playlist. When you click on create a new playlist, it allows you to add a title and whether it's public or private or unlisted, just like a video. And then once you've created one, they look like this. And you'll see that we have a playlist here. When you hover over it, you have the option to edit it or to watch on YouTube. And again, a playlist is, as it suggests, it's going to show you all of the videos in that playlist one by one. If somebody clicks on a playlist and watches a video, it's automatically going to move them to the next video in the playlist rather than giving them a suggested video from somewhere else. So if you can get somebody into a playlist on content that they really are interested in, that can help them watch multiple videos, one right after the other. Let's click on edit and look at an established playlist. So within the playlist, you have the title of the playlist over here. They should all have a description. This one actually does not, but should. And then you have all of the videos that are over here. Now you have the lines next to each video, which means you can click on them and drag them up or down. You can sort them in any way you want, or you can come up to the top here and click this little sort option. Now, this was previously down here in the menu, so keep an eye on that. It has, in fact, moved, so if you're having trouble finding it, that's where it is. You can see you can sort by videos that are the newest or the oldest or most popular, the date published, in newest or oldest as well. So depending on the type of content, it may make sense. If it's newsworthy type content, you may want to have the newest video that you published at the beginning of the playlist. If it is videos that were designed in a sequential order, you may have to come in and manually sort them so that they match the order that you want people to watch them. Also, if you have your most popular content, you want people to see the videos that were really, really successful, then you can come in here and click by most popular, and that's going to sort them by views. So it really depends on the type of content that you're putting in there as to how you should sort them and how your audience is going to get the most value out of the way that it is sorted. If for some reason you needed to, you could come in and hide the playlist by changing it to either unlisted or private. So heading back to the three dots menu, we'll see there's a few options in here that matter to us. You have the option right here to add videos. When you click on that, it's going to give you the option to add videos to a playlist. Now, you don't have to add just your own videos to a playlist. You can actually add videos to a playlist from anywhere on YouTube. Whether you have a justifiable reason to do that or whether that's going to help your channel grow, really remains to be seen, but just know it's something that you can do. But you can click here. You can do it by URL. So if you just paste a URL in there, or you can click on your videos and it's going to show you the content from your channel. When you find one you want, you can click on it like that and click on add videos, and that's going to add it to the playlist that you're editing. Also in here, you have the option to add all to, where you can take all the videos from this playlist and add them to another playlist. And you have the ability to collaborate. Collaborate means that other people can add videos to a playlist. So if you have a community and you've asked the community to share the best videos on how to fly a kite, you can turn on collaboration and people can add videos to that playlist. And we showed you before, we have playlist settings. We click on playlist settings. You allow other people to embed. You can add new videos to the top of playlist and set as an official series for the playlist. Now, the official series, I think, is going to impact whether or not all the videos play sequentially for every user. So that's something that you may want to consider. If you have a playlist where it is like a 10-part series on how to build a car or whatever the case is, then you may want to turn on official playlist to ensure that people are viewing those in sequential order. And then, of course, here at the bottom, be careful with this one. You can delete the entire playlist, but you have the option always to set a playlist to private. So if you need it removed temporarily, you can definitely do that as opposed to deleting the playlist. And just a little note, when you click on playlist, it actually opens a new tab. So if you want to get back to where you were, just go back and click on the tab that you were on previously, and then it'll get you back to the section that we were in, which of course is the playlist section here in YouTube Studio. I hope you found this video helpful. Let me know in the comments below. Don't let the learning stop here. I'm going to put a video on screen now that can help you grow here on YouTube so you can create your freedom and learn how to make money doing something you enjoy. I'll see you in the next video.